how to license your patent to governments and large corporations. For patent holders, inventors, researchers, and IP creators looking to monetize their inventions without starting a company or building a product. 1. The opportunity. The U.S. government is the largest buyer of technology and innovation in the world. Federal agencies and prime contractors regularly license patented technology, often from individuals or small entities. Large corporations are under increasing pressure to source external innovation, often through IP licensing, joint development, or strategic partnerships. This is a viable path for inventors who do not want to commercialize their IP themselves. 2. Who uses licensed patents? Government agencies, for example, DoD, NASA, DOE, NIH. Federal contractors and subcontractors, state-level economic development programs. Fortune 500 companies with open innovation pipelines, defense and dual-use technology buyers, universities and national labs. 3. What you can license. You can license a granted patent, a pending patent with strong claims, a portfolio of related patents, supporting documentation, technical papers, CAD, designs. You don't need a prototype, a working product, a business entity, capital or funding. 4. How licensing works. Licensing is a legal agreement in which you, the patent holder, allow another entity to use your invention in exchange for compensation. Common types of licensing. Exclusive license. One company gets full rights, usually more lucrative. Non-exclusive license. Companies can use your invention. Field of use license limits use to a specific application or industry. Territorial license limits use by region or country. Compensation can include upfront fees, royalties on revenue, milestone payments, minimum annual payments. 5. Where to list or submit your IP. Platforms used by tech scouts and government innovation teams. SAM.gov, U.S. government's central procurement portal. TechLink matches inventors to DoD and federal needs. NASA technology transfer. In-Q-Tel, focused on national security innovation. FedScout, tools for inventors to find federal funding. A UTM innovation, marketplace, academic and institutional IP listings. Invention evaluator, IP evaluation and exposure. Open innovation portals from large companies, for example, GE, BASF, Bayer, PepsiCo. 6. How to prepare your patent for licensing. To make your patent attractive to potential licensees, prepare the following. Executive summary, 1 page. Clearly explain the invention and its value. Technical overview, 1 to 3 pages. Describe the technology in practical terms. Use cases. List industries and applications where your IP could be used. Competitive advantage. Show how your solution improves on current methods. TRL, technology readiness level. Estimate readiness on a 1 to 9 scale. Visuals or CAD files optional. Diagrams, videos, or simulations help. Avoid relying solely on the patent document itself. It is too technical for most decision makers. 7. Licensing to the government. Federal agencies often do not buy commercial products. They fund development, license patents, or issue R&D contracts. Relevant programs. SBIR/STTR non-dilutive grants for early-stage tech based on IP. BAA broad agency announcements. Solicit proposals based on needs. OTA other transaction authority. Flexible agreements for non-traditional tech providers. CRADA cooperative R&D agreement. Collaborations with national labs. T2 technology transfer. Direct licensing of federal tech or offering yours to agencies. Licensing deals may be made with federal agencies directly. Large federal contractors, e.g. Raytheon, Northrop Grumman, SAIC. Small businesses who need your IP to compete for SBIRs. 8. Licensing to large corporations. Many corporations now use open innovation and external technology scouting to supplement in-house R&D. Steps. Identify corporations with strategic alignment to your patent. Submit via their open innovation portals or technology scouting teams. Use LinkedIn and industry events to connect with innovation officers. Prepare a short deck or one-pager tailored to their industry. Consider licensing through an intermediary like an IP broker or university TTO. 9. Common mistakes to avoid. Relying on only the patent document, always prepare a readable summary. Failing to publish or share your IP in the right channels. Negotiating without understanding IP valuation or licensing norms. Signing restrictive NDAs or licensing terms without review. Overpricing early-stage IP without commercial validation. 10. First steps you can take today. Write a one-page summary of your invention. Identify 2 to 3 platforms and list your patent. Research 2 federal SBIR topics that align with your IP. Prepare a licensing brief or visual explainer. Join one innovation marketplace or licensing event. Resources, sbir.gov. Find government funding topics. TechLink, match with DoD tech needs. NASA Tech Transfer, a UTM innovation marketplace, USP TOIP marketplace for global exposure. Summary. You don't need to start a company or build a product to make money from your patent. Governments and corporations are actively licensing high-potential intellectual property, and there are tools and platforms in place to help you connect directly with them. With the right packaging, visibility, and approach, you can generate revenue through licensing, even as an individual inventor or academic.